Let me tell you guys a little story. It all started when my wife showed me a photo on Amazon of a jewelry cabinet that mounted to the wall. And of course, the maker I am, I made it. And then I posted it on Instagram. And then I got a message from a follower. She's really a family friend. She's a mom with 2 kids. And as parents, we probably understand that we don't get a lot to ourselves. But she messaged me and she asked me if I could make her a cabinet for herself. But she had one stipulation. She wanted it to be freestanding because she lived in an apartment and you couldn't mount things to the wall. And I thought, yeah, I could do this. That would be a fun project.
First off was breaking down the material and making the frame for the mirror. I used half laps and dados for the box and for the mirror door itself. After getting all the pieces made, it was time to do the glue up. And this is a stressful glue up. As you can see, I had to put a cross brace in to get it to square. And the frame for the mirror, that was pretty straightforward. This was the earring post, and I found out that the kerf of my bandsaw is perfect size for earrings. Next, I want to work on the necklace and bracelets, and I pre-drilled some holes for the hooks to make it easier for install. For added strength, I dadoed in the shelves, and I used a combination of a router to hog out most of the material and a chisel to get it in perfect.
After that, it was time to figure out how to make this a freestanding object. I knew I needed a base, and I knew I needed it wide enough to be able to support the weight. There's a lot of weight in the mirror, and there was going to be a lot of weight in the jewelry holding. That was when I put the post down and then half lapped in the bottom to hold the thing up. Once I put the front door with the mirror in, I realized there wasn't very much side support, so I had to go back and alter the plans and put the side supports in to give it a little bit more stability.
I decided to spray a flat black on this project because I knew it would look really sharp. After that, I put the edge profile on the outer frame for the mirror, and then it was on to seal it. I used a water-based sealer, so that way in case I did get any on the paint, it wouldn't mess up the paint.
We all make mistakes, and it's us as makers to learn from those mistakes and be able to adapt from them. The thing with making is you just have to keep doing it. Don't worry about if you're going to make a mistake, or don't worry about if you're going to fail. We all fail. But us as makers, we learn from the failures, and we overcome that, and we keep going. And this is Paul from Hubby's Creations telling you, have fun in your shop.